In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone to MetaTrader 5 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're just starting out in trading or you're an experienced trader, being able to integrate your trading platform seamlessly can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive right into the process. First, we're going to head over to the Pepperstone website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process that won't take much time. For those who already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, decide whether you want to practice trading with a demo account or jump right into live trading. Click on Demo if you're practicing, or Live if you're ready to trade actively. It's important to choose based on your current experience level and trading goals. The next step is to add a trading account. You'll find an option that allows you to do so. Click there, and you'll be prompted to select a platform. In this case, we're connecting to MetaTrader 5, so go ahead and choose that option. For the account type, select Standard, which is commonly recommended for most traders. Now, it's time to add a personal touch. If you'd like, you can add a nickname to your account. It's a small customization that can help personalize your trading experience. Following that, you'll need to set your preferred leverage and currency. These settings are crucial as they have a significant impact on your trading, so make sure to choose configurations that align with your trading strategy. After you've configured these details, click the Submit button. Once submitted, a pop-up window will appear displaying your login ID and server information. You'll also receive these details in an email, so keep an eye on your inbox. It's a good idea to save this information securely, as you will need it shortly. Now, let's turn our attention to MetaTrader 5. Open the application on your computer. Navigate to the File menu and select Open an Account. In the search bar, type Pepperstone to find the server. Once found, select it and click Next. At this point, you'll choose the option to connect with an existing trade account. You'll need the login ID, password, and server details that you just received. Enter these details carefully, as accuracy is essential for establishing the connection. After entering the information, click Finish, and there you have it. You're now connected to Pepperstone via MetaTrader 5. You're ready to start trading and taking advantage of the powerful tools available on this platform. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!